Welcome back to the final and fourth episode of the University Online Application series of Uplift Education, Sri Lanka. This is the final step. This is where you select your preferred courses in universities. There are course codes for each course and for each university, but still, this could be done easily by the online application system. When you select the Courses tab, it shows all the possible courses you can select. Once a course is selected, it shows all the universities where the course can be done. When we click Add of a specific course in a specific university, the details get added along with its Unicode. We have to select our most preferred course first. We have to add the other courses according to our preference order, with 1 being the most preferred and downwards the less preference. That is the order in which we would be selected for universities. So please bear in mind that this is one of the most important orders that you have to make in this application. Let us explain by a small example how we can select the courses. For example, I select Engineering under the Courses tab. In the next tab, we are shown the universities we can select. We select Moratua as the first preference. Next, I select Peradeniya as the second preference. Next, let us select another course. We select Computer Science and add University of Colombo as the preferred university. So we have 3 options here. First, Engineering of Moratua, second, Engineering of Peradeniya, and third, Computer Science of Colombo. So this will be the preference order in which UGC will process our application and send us the possible and probable courses that are available for us. Also, we can change the course order as we wish and delete any course we do not prefer by using the cross that is placed near the courses. After filling any other information that is to be provided below, please confirm whether all information provided is true. After confirmation, click on Save and View to finally get the PDF version of the application. This version is also sent to your email. Take a printout and do the needful for the rest of the activities. The printout would contain a PDF document along with the barcodes that will be necessary for you to complete your application further. We thank and wish each and every one of you who joined hands with us in your initial step towards achieving your dreams in the universities. We believe that the video series would have been useful. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Share with your friends, relatives, and everyone else to pass on the information that you have just received. We believe that you will be a massive part in our future endeavors as Uplift Education Sri Lanka. Until then, goodbye. Hoping to partner with you in future.